Welcome to DIY Saturday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas, welcome to DIY Saturday. Today, I have an exciting tutorial for you guys. We're working with strawberries because it's strawberry season and we just have to work with strawberries. It's summertime, they are in season, blueberries are in season. I don't know, but here in Arizona, we have these funny advertisements. Like in the winter, it goes like, come to the local Fry's here in Arizona. The Kroger brand is called Fry's. So they go, come to Fry's to try Chilean strawberries and blueberries that are in season. Here at your local Fry's now, Chilean strawberries. And I'm like, really? Chilean? Like, strawberries in season in Chile. First of all, that's like in South America and it's coming here. So that's just to tell you guys, you want to buy local strawberries, like local. Here in Arizona, we really can't grow strawberries that well. So I just buy them from the store and they're grown here in the US of A, California, of course. So just make sure you're getting local strawberries, you guys. And plus, what the advertisement doesn't tell you is that they're more expensive when they come from Chile. So if you're wanting strawberries in the winter, just make sure they're frozen. And 9 out of 10 when they're frozen, they do say product of US of A. So I just want to make sure you guys are getting your local strawberries. Oh yeah, because it's summer and you gotta make strawberry pie, you gotta make strawberry meringues, you gotta make strawberry sugar scrub, which we're making today. So what you'll need for the first ingredient in our strawberry sugar scrub is dehydrated strawberries. Now, I dried these in my dehydrator. You can use freeze-dried strawberries. I have seen them at any local grocery store. You just go to like the dried fruit section and they have freeze-dried strawberries, cherries, bananas, and what you do is just grind them up in your blender. Now what I did, if you have a dehydrator, all you need to do, this is what it looks like. All you need to do is dehydrate them for about 24 to 48 hours. I like to do it on low for about 48 hours and they dry out completely. Then you grind it up in a coffee grinder and you have strawberry, dried strawberries, and this makes such a beautiful scrub, you guys. This is the second time I've done it and it's just amazing. The texture is amazing. You will need coconut oil. I didn't bring my coconut oil with me today, so please forgive me, but you will need coconut oil. I also want to let you guys know it needs to be whipped coconut oil because you want it to be a fluffy texture like the picture. If you're like, oh, well, mine didn't come out like that, it's because you didn't whip the coconut oil or you didn't use solid coconut oil. So make sure your coconut oil is solid. Just put it in the fridge for a little bit because if you're in a hotter climate like I am, the texture won't be, it'll melt. So you want to put it in the fridge for a little bit. You will need sugar, almighty sugar, for this tutorial. You will also need Miracle Glow oil. You could get this at savvynaturalista.com or amazon.com. And you will also need sweet orange essential oil. Now with this sugar scrub, it's going to be an orange and a strawberry scent. And the strawberry scent really comes out in the sugar scrub. So you're going to really love it. I am so excited to do this tutorial with you guys because we all know strawberries are high in antioxidants and they're wonderful for the skin. Okay, you guys, so you're going to be really, really proud of me this time. Guess what? I have all the right utensils for this strawberry coconut sugar scrub. So let's get started. You will need 1 cup of sugar. So here's your speed cup. I am so happy, you guys. No one understands. I never have the right utensils to make it, and today I do. It's gonna be a good day. And you will need a teaspoon of dried strawberries. I'm gonna add another. Oh, mind you, if you just eat this powder, it's really good. It is so delicious. Okay, because the powder is a little clumpy, I'm gonna use a glove to mix it up a little bit. If all else fails, use your hands. And you really don't know how good this smells. It smells really good. I may not put essential oils in it. It smells really good. Oh my God. This smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. This smells really good. Oh my God, this smells so good. Now, if you did this with your dehydrator, it's okay if you have a few clumps of strawberries left, because a lot of that is the seed powder, that the seeds that really didn't get mixed in the coffee grinder. It smells so good. I don't know what to do. This smells really good. This is like candy. Oh God. Okay, so you will need 11 drops of Miracle Glow oil, and you can find this on SavvyNaturalista.com or Amazon.com. So let's put in our Miracle Glow. And this is just the perfect oil to penetrate the skin. You mix it together. And you need, this smells really good, you guys. I really just don't know. This smells so good. Moisturizing and delicious smelling. Oh, it smells really good. And this, I don't know if it will smell this way if you use freezer dried strawberries. I know it smells this way because I'm using real strawberries that I dehydrated. You will need a half a cup of coconut oil. Now my coconut oil is a little solid because it's cooling down here just a little bit. So I'm just gonna put some of the solid inside. You will need a half a cup. I know it's weird. Normally it's melting. Kind of wants to be solid this time. Coconut oil, you amaze me every time. Want to mix it up. If it doesn't mix up really well, use your hands like I say. It's just amazing. It smells so good. Look at that beautiful color. Doesn't it look beautiful, you guys? And it smells so good. Boy, I want to eat this. It looks just like a strawberry sugar scrub. It looks just like the name. So beautiful. Look, you guys, that is amazing. Now we're going to add 10 drops of essential oils. Ew. I'm using sweet orange. If they had a strawberry essential oil, you best believe I would use it. It's supposed to be 10 drops, but And you just mix it all in. And there you have it. A beautiful strawberry body scrub. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoy it. Make sure you pick up Miracle Glow on Savvy Naturalista and Amazon.com. I'll see you in our next DIY. Bye.